their students. Today, we will discuss about noun. So, first of all, we need to know what is a noun. A noun is a naming word used for naming a persons, places, animals, etc. Delhi, America, cow, cat, car, Tom, Samir, these are the examples of noun. So class, do you understand what is a noun? Yes sir. Good. That's all for today. Have a nice day, students. Samir's son, do you like the new school? No dad. I hate the school. Teachers are boring and friends too. I really don't like it. You always hated the school. Why, son? Dad, I don't like schools. I just wanted to enjoy my life. And I don't understand anything what they taught me. Son, one day you will understand what life is. It is not meant to be enjoyment alone. Anyway, what do you learn today in your class? Noun. Of. I even don't understand it. Be attentive in your class and you will learn them, okay son? Good night. Dear students, have you learned about noun? Yes sir. Samir, tell me. What is a noun? A noun is is called a noun. You forgot what I taught you yesterday. Ha! Oh, Samir, be attentive in the class, okay?